Good morning, students. Now we move on to our next topic, China rose as indicator. Activity 5.3. You have to collect some China rose petals and place them in a beaker. You all know China rose. You might have seen that red color flower we can find everywhere, which is commonly known as the name gudhal, and having green color leaves, which is very healthy for our hairs also. That flower we need, that flower's petals we need, okay, and we have to place it in a beaker and add some warm water and keep the mixture for some time till water becomes colored. Okay, now use the colored water as an indicator. Add 5 drops of indicator to each of the solutions given in table 5.4. Here you have seen there are so many solutions given: shampoo, lemon juice, soda water, sodium hydrogen carbonate solution, vinegar, sugar solution, and common salt solution. Okay, now what is the effect of indicator on acidic, basic, and neutral solutions? Because China rose used as an indicator, what it does, the acidic solutions turns dark pink color, magenta color, and the basic solutions turn to green. Okay, understood all of you? So you have to test it, that shampoo, and you have to write the initial color, what was that initial color and what is the final color. As shampoo is the basic solution, always know that, so it will be turned greenish in color. Lemon juice is acidic, its final color will be magenta after adding few drops of this indicator. Okay, soda water is also acidic. Sodium hydrogen carbonate solution, it is basic solution. Okay, vinegar is acidic. Sugar solution is basic. Common salt solution, it is also basic. Okay, now we move on to activity 5.4. Okay, the teacher is requested to get the following dilute chemicals from her school laboratory or from nearby school: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Okay, what we have to do? We have to bring these types of this dilute chemicals. Okay, HCl means hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. What is calcium hydroxide? It is lime water. Okay, now we have to demonstrate the effect of 3 indicators on each of these solutions, and we have to record the observation in table 5.5. Here see, in table 5.5 it was given name of the acid, which is dilute hydrochloric acid. What it has effect on litmus paper, effect on turmeric paper, and effect on China rose solution. I mean, litmus color changed to which color after putting the drop of this hydrochloric acid, because it is acidic. Now what is the effect on turmeric paper and effect on China rose solution? What the color will turns? Okay, now you have might have heard about acid rain, and you are familiar with the term acid rain. You heard about damaging effect of acid rain. As the name indicates, the rain containing excess of acids is called an acid rain. Okay, where do these acids come from? The rain becomes acidic because carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide, which are released into the air as pollutants. Which gases which release as pollutants into the air? Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide dissolve in raindrops to form carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid respectively. And acid rain can cause damage to buildings, historical monuments, plants, and animals. It has very dangerous effect. Okay, so always remember this. And you have heard about the historical monument like Taj Mahal. It is degrading the quality of that its texture, color of white pure marble color changes some yellowish due to this effect of acid rain only. Okay, understood till now? Tomorrow we'll continue further. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Good morning.